And these types of moves, I don't even blink anymore. I mean, if you've been around for a while, we know Bitcoin has volatility. And just recently, we can kind of talk about how Bitcoin has consolidated in the daily chart. I'll jump back to the weekly chart as well, because I want to make that point about the 8 EMA, but we had that 32% correction. That's kind of nice period of consolidation, letting everything reset. We kind of caught a bid there at that orange, the MA50, and then we kind of bounced, made that new high, came back, and we had kind of another nice little consolidation period. So when you're in these moments, you have to remember not to panic. You don't want to always find yourself chasing the top and just chasing the enthusiasm, because smart traders are buying weakness. Smart traders are looking for opportunities to set themselves up with a favorable risk reward scenario. So kind of in that line, you want to be looking to buy a dip in an uptrend, right? I'm going to go to the weekly chart, and I want to point out this 8 EMA. All right. I had a very interesting conversation with someone on Twitter about kind of what really is the most important support level. And they were making the argument for the brown line, the middle Bollinger, the 20 MA. And you have, in my opinion, really just that one contact point here recently. And they were pointing out something about over 10 years, there was some type of a relationship. So there's some things you want to understand, general concepts in classical charting. You want to understand the most recent price action is the most important, okay? My argument to them was multi-level, but we have a different supply-demand equilibrium right now, right? There is more, every day there's more Bitcoin being taken off exchanges and being accumulated than is being mined, right? There's just not enough supply to meet the demand. That's a different dynamic than it was back in 2018, back in 2016. So in my opinion, that's going to make our corrections more shallow, our larger corrections. And also it makes it so you have to give bulls a little more edge kind of in the current paradigm.